Good day, my name's Hugh Reed. I'm the CEO and founder of Reed Law Group Ltd., a law firm that practices law representing servicemen and women around the world, mostly pro bono. And we also have a bar review under readbarreview.com. We help you get into law school under maxyourlsat.com. We help you get through law school under lawschooltutoring.com. And we focus on the multi-state under readmultistatebarreview.com, readmbr.com. Now, a little bit about me. I take a bar exam virtually every time it's given, and that's important to you. I'm licensed in numerous jurisdictions by taking bar exams. Unlike other bar review lecturers, I can actually tell you how to get ready for the exam. In other words, we teach the test. Now, I hasten to say that I'm prohibited from infringing on anyone's copyright, nor can I ethically give away the questions, but I can certainly make sure that you understand the concepts that are often tested. You see, on the multi-state bar exam, much like the multi-state professional responsibility exam, there are certain repeat questions for statistical equating purposes. Up to 60 questions out of 200 are repeated on the multi-state bar exam. And as I listen to other lecturers who certainly know their subjects, they often overlook the testing aspect. In other words, how it's tested, and that's important to you. Because you only want to take the bar exam once, right? You want to pass it. It doesn't get any better the second time around. All right, well, the other thing you should know about me is that I'm a retired Army colonel, and I used to be in charge of pilot training for the Army. In my younger years, I was an airborne ranger. And both Army pilots and airborne rangers have to react quickly under anxiety conditions. In other words, there's not a whole lot of time to think about things. Much like you taking an examination, there's not a whole lot of time to think about it. So we use mnemonics, checklists, memory devices, and those will help you tremendously on the exam. You may have remembered the 5 Great Lakes with the acronym HOMES, H-O-M-E-S. And if you did, you'll never forget them. And that's how we teach key concepts for the bar exam. Now, what I'd invite you to do is click any of the buttons below, learn more about any of our programs, ask an attorney coach if you have a specific question. Register. If you want to register, we can give you free mini exams, up to 20 mini exams, or you can choose from 20 mini exams, and we can give you free study kits so you can become familiar with what we do, or you can contact us directly, because we're here to help you not only get into law school, help you throughout law school, and certainly help you pass perhaps the most important exam in your life. Now, the other thing I'd like you to do, if you want to learn more about us, we have a licensed clinical professional counselor that is accessible to you. And she has prepared 7 principles of successful testing. Thinking patterns that enhance test performance, successfully overcoming test anxiety, creating health for optimal performance, building strong self-confidence, effective stress management and arousal control, transformative visualization, memorization techniques and visualization techniques, much like professional athletes use before the big game, and powering up for the test experience. All of those DVDs and videos are available for you either to download, or you can purchase them off our website or in law bookstores around the country. Now, I encourage you to become familiar with some of these topics. Perhaps it's the multi-state that worries you. Well, again, unlike other bar review lecturers, I take the exam virtually every time it's given. So I can certainly tell you about it and the major changes that have occurred recently on this examination. Or perhaps it's essay writing that's worrying you. It's mostly important in states like Arizona, California, Florida. Well, you know, you need to write your essays in a certain format. I mean, if you write it like a love letter, you're bound to get a Dear John. So we don't want you to do that. And best of all, we guarantee our services. We have bar reviews that start for under $1,000 and you can access the materials up to a year before the bar exam. And then we have individualized tutoring, one-on-one tutoring, that costs a little bit more to pay for the attorney's time, obviously, the attorney coach's time. But we guarantee the results. So we don't like to work for free, so we're in your corner. We want you to pass this bar exam. All right, well, if you have any questions, just hit the button, Ask an Attorney Coach, or review the many overviews of the various programs we have. Just click on one of the buttons, Learn More, or Ask an Attorney Coach, register now, or contact us. And if you need an immediate attention, just call us at 800-852-3926. That's 800-852-3926, and we'll get right back to you. All right? We wish you the best of luck and looking forward to helping you pass your important exams.